Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. In this video, we will see what are the operations on list. In first operation, we can see how to add elements to a list. By using three different ways, we can add elements to a list. We can see what is the first method. Suppose we can take a list L equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, so on. If you want to add element to a list, first method is append method. By using this append method, we can add only one element to a list. This append method will add at the end of a list. Here we can see example. If you want to append an element, we use L dot append of 60 and print this list. Here we can see the output. Here 60 will be added at the end of the list. And next method is insert method. By using insert method, we can add element at any position. Here insert element takes two arguments. One is index position and another one is value. Here we can see one example. I want to insert element at second location with 70 element. So we can take 25 element. Here we can see output. Here 25 will be located at second position. Next one is extend. By using this extend method, we can add any number of elements, but these elements are added at the end of list only. Here we can see 60, 70 and 80. Here we can see three numbers will be added at end of a list. We can also add tuple of elements. Here we can see one example. I can take 60 and 70 in tuple. Here we can see these elements are also added at end of a list. Now we can see how to remove elements from list. First method is remove method. L dot remove. In remove method, we have passed a value, which value will be removed. Here I can give 30 and print this list. Here 30 will be removed from list. Next one is pop method. By using this pop method, by default pop method will remove the last element. Here 50 will be removed. If you give pop of 0, it will be remove starting element. Again I will give L dot pop of 0. Previously deleted 10 element, now it deleted 20. Pop of 0 will delete the first element of a list. Pop will delete the last element of a list. We can also pass index of a value. Now I want to delete at index position 1. It remove 20 value. Like this we can perform adding and removing of elements. Now we can see another one, list concatenation. Concatenation means joining of two elements. Two list. Here we can take first list is L equal to 10, 20, 30 and 40. And another list L1 equal to, we can take any type of data types. Now I can take A and B and C. Now I am trying to concatenate these two lists. I take a variable L2 equal to L1 L plus L1. I am trying to print list 2. It will give you as output like all elements are stored in single list. Like this we can concatenate also. Hope you are all understood. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.